Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're now tuned in with Camille Dior. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this acrylic set. This is my first time doing acrylics, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you think I did a good job, and let's jump right into this video. So the first thing that I have to do is prep my natural nail. So I'm taking my electric file and my 180 sanding band, and I'm going to go from right to left and file my nails. And I'm doing this to get the shine off my nails. Now before you do this, technically you're supposed to go in and push your cuticles back, but I forgot to do it and my cuticles were kind of already pushed back. So I didn't do it until after, but push your cuticles back first and then go in with the file and file the shine off your nails. If you guys are wondering what is underneath me, that is a dust collector for the dust. I got it from eBay for $20, and I wasn't sure I needed one, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to pay a lot for it. But I do want to get that 𝐒𝐿𝐵 dust collector, so that's definitely on my list of things to get. And like I said, I'm pushing my cuticles back, and now it's time to pick your nail tips to fit on your nail. So I already picked mine out. I was just showing you guys how the tips look. They're clear tips, and I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. So I already got the ones that I use, and what you're going to do is you're going to make sure they fit from sidewall to sidewall, and if the size is too small, then you're going to go up a size and get the bigger one. Now y'all, please do not fry me. Please don't fry me, but I put the tips a little too far down, so they were on the tips of my fingers. They were like in the middle of my fingers, but my nails were kind of damaged, so I didn't want to put them all the way on the end. I wanted them to be able to breathe underneath, and I just put them a little bit further up because I did take these nails off after I did this video, but I wanted to show you guys, me doing my acrylics. So they are a little bit too high, and yes, I know, but I will fix that next time I do a video. You guys won't have to worry about seeing that. So I am using Kiss nail glue in this video. However, I do not recommend it. I recommend finding something else because it was really not trying to stick. Like, my nails were not trying to stick. I don't know what kid, it was not. It took forever for them to actually adhere to my nail. So if you see me adjusting it, it's because the nail glue did not stick. However, I did order some of the 𝐒𝐿𝐵 nail glue, and I heard that it was sturdy. So that's what I'm going to start using. Hopefully that does not let me down. I'm going to go in with my nail file and file the edges of my nails to get that excess nail off. And then I'm going to go in with my nail primer and apply it directly on my natural nail, avoiding my skin. This is what y'all been waiting for. We're about to get to the acrylic. So I'm using my Mia Secret liquid monomer and my Mia Secret clear acrylic powder. And I'm going in. I know there's a bead system. You want to have at least 3 or 4 beads. But I was winging it since this was my first time doing it. And I really wasn't scared. I was a little nervous, but I wasn't scared. I ain't never scared. But I went in and I tried to apply it as evenly as possible. And my brush is the Pana brush. It's a 8.5 brush, and I got this off of eBay. Everything I'm using I will put in the description box for you guys if it is still available, because Amazon and eBay been acting real shady lately, but I'm gonna leave it alone. So I'm just gonna apply it. When I applied my first bead, I applied it to the middle, and then I applied a second bead at the bottom, and then I went and applied another bead at the top of my, by my cuticle. But I try not to push it up too far. And you see me wiping the excess because Mia's Secret is a little bit on the runnier side. So now my nails are a little bit on the thin side because I was afraid to use too much product because I didn't want them to be all lumpy, because you know the more product you put, the thicker the nail gets and the thicker the lumps can possibly be if you don't apply it carefully. So I will definitely work on, you know, applying my bead ratio, my liquid to powder ratio, all that, so I can get better at the perfect size of nails. But these were perfect and they didn't bend or anything. They look good. I'll post pictures like after I finish completely with the application so you can see that. And I keep turning my hand and looking at my nails so I can see exactly where it needs more acrylic at, or to see where, like, just to make sure you gotta hit them angles to make sure that the nail is right, okay? Like, you have to make sure your nail is even, that like all parts of it, all aspects have to look good. Okay, so I'm gonna keep turning and looking at different angles and feeling where I need to, or you know, smoothing out. All right, y'all. So we finished applying the acrylic. So now we're going to go in and file our nails to get our shape back. Now, it's not even a coffin nail. It's just like a tapered square nail. That's the type of style this is, because this is definitely not coffin-y to me. So, just a tapered square look. That's all I'm going to say. And I'm just going to shape it back, file the sides, making sure I keep it at a 90-degree angle. I try to. I'm not sure what size file this is, but it came with my polygel kit, and I really like this one. Like, I love this file. Like, I want to go order some more. So I'm going to go in with my e-file, and I'm going to clean up the cuticle and get rid of any acrylic right there in that area. And this may not be the right drill bit I need to be using, but this is the one that was the closest to match like the fine texture, but not too fine. But you don't want to use something too coarse. I'm going to file on the actual nail. Since these are thin, they don't have that many lumps or bumps, but you're just filing to smooth out the nail. After I finish with the file, I go in with a buffing block and buff off any scratches that may be on the nail due to the e-file. And I love buffers. This is why with my press-ons, I just buff them instead of using my electric file anymore, because they are hard on the nail. And it just equals a smooth application of your polish. I went to go wash my hands, and I dried my nails off really well with a paper towel. And now I'm going to apply my base coat, and this is the 𝐒𝐲𝐫𝐞 base coat. And I'm going to apply a thin layer to my nails, and then I'm going to let that cure underneath the light for 60 to 90 seconds. And I really don't see a lot of people using base coat. I don't know if you're not supposed to use base coat. I don't know if you are supposed to use base coat, but I use it because I use it on my press-ons sometimes. But, like, I just feel like it gives your nail an extra barrier. Like, it gives you a smoother application. But that's just me. Maybe not, but I'm going to let my brain keep thinking that. I want these nails to be flashy, so I'm going to go to my ring finger and apply a top coat. And I'm going to apply my gems onto that nail. Now, that nail is going to be covered in gems. I do not cure this top coat. I just go in and start applying my gems. And I got these gems off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can have it. And it came with these tweezers, and they're so good, you guys. I use them for everything. And I'm going to apply the nails to the I'm going to outline the nail with the diamonds, and then I'm going to go in and fill the inside. I'm going to do this all the way up to the top of this. Like, this nail is going to be blinged out. Now, quick disclaimer before I finish this nail. Now, what I did at the end, I know most people will not agree with, but I went in and I applied a top coat over all the gems once I was done. But before I did that, I did put my nail underneath the lamp to cure for 60 seconds because I wanted to make sure the top coat was secure in place. Now, I believe that should be enough, but for these nails, I just wanted to try the top coat over all of them to see how that would look and to see, you know, how sturdy they would be. Next time, I won't put the top coat on there because I regretted it after. So once I was done with all the nails, I went over it with the top coat. I'm going to go in with my Jody nail polish, and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. This is a gel nail polish, And after I apply to each nail, I let it cure for 60 seconds. And I really love this color. I had an idea of a lighter color, but this one turned out really, really good. So I'm not complaining. It is important to get the sides and the edge of your nails so the polish does not chip. And this is just my second coat I'm applying, and this color looks so good, you guys. Like, my polishing may not, but this color look real good, okay? So I honestly suck at polishing my own nails, but we all, we gotta get through it. So next I'm gonna be applying this Louis V sticker. I got these stickers off Amazon. They're decals, thank goodness, sticker decals, because I was not trying to put none in water. So I'm just going to apply that using my tweezers, and I'm going to smooth it out, because if I don't smooth it out, you would definitely see the little air pockets and air bubbles that are in underneath the nail. So I'm going to take this silicone, it came with my glitter brush, and I'm just going to try to push out the air bubbles, just like putting a new screen protector on your phone case. That's how I feel when I was doing this. So yeah, and using my tweezers too to help. So I'm going to apply 3 stickers onto this nail. So I could not make up my mind when doing this nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a top coat to this nail, and then I'm going to put diamonds around it. So I'm going to outline this nail with diamonds, and I literally could not decide what I wanted to do. But I'm using the top coat as an adhesive, and as well as giving the nail its shine already, so I don't have to go and try to squeeze top coat into there. So this, took a little time to put the diamonds on each nail, but it was really worth it at the end, and especially when they adhere and they stick. And this is a full set. Like, my press-ons, it has to be either somebody asking me to make them a set with diamonds on it like this, or if I just it's birthday nails or something extravagant. Like, it has to be a real reason for me to sit up here and do this on press on nails. Like, I just cannot see myself doing that. I say that, but then again, I probably will, because I love doing it. Like, after doing this set, like, I want to do these diamonds again, this time without putting freaking top coat on top of it. And the thing about that is, I have craft crazy glue and stuff that I could have just brushed on it and used that, but I don't know what to use. So if you guys have a better technique on applying gems, please let me know. Baby girl, these nails are looking good, okay? So I'm going to go in and apply the top coat to the rest of the nails that did not already have top coat on them. So I'm going in and just using my 𝐒𝐻𝐫𝐞 top coat. I didn't get to show you guys, but on my pinky, I went in and put a row of diamonds on the top, and then I put 3 diamonds going down, and as well as on my thumb, I just did 3 diamonds going across the top, like in front of my cuticle. So now I'm taking this cuticle oil, cherry cuticle oil. You guys know that's my go-to right now, and I'm going to put that on my cuticles to make sure that they are nice and oiled up. Okay, and I hope you guys did like this video and enjoy these nails. So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment. If you guys have another nail design you want to see me try, please let me know. Comment down below. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that I did a good job on these nails. You feel me? So see you guys in my next video.